Honesty and integrity of construction are essential tenets of arts and crafts furniture. The tried and tested traditional joinery that makes it strong and long-lasting is also a visible element that adds to the furniture's intrinsic beauty. And at Stickley, we work to provide this level of construction to furniture of all styles. The Stickley Difference. Construction features. Solid quarter-sawn white oak. Oak is sawn parallel to the wood's medullary rays instead of across them. This cut yields top-grade boards featuring ray flake patterning and binds perpendicular fibers together, giving the oak its amazing strength. Tenons. A tenon is a board whose ends have been cut for insertion into a mortise. A blind tenon is concealed within the board, and a through tenon extends all the way to the other side. Keyed tenons. A wedge or key is fitted into a slot in the tenon to lock it into place. The key is then glued, adding powerful strength to important joints on large pieces of furniture. Quadralinear posts. 4 Quartersawn solid white oak boards are mitered and then glued around a center post. This distinctive Leopold Stickley construction technique best displays the oak's ray flake on all sides. Side-hung and center-guided drawers. The center guide keeps drawers from skewing sideways. Side suspension keeps them level when heavily loaded. The drawer never scrapes the bottom and opens and closes with ease. Dovetailed cross rails. Cross rails on cases are dovetailed into the ends to strengthen the case from side to side. This joint is self-locking even without glue, and separation is impossible unless the wood is split apart. Tongue and groove glue joints. The tongue and groove ensure a stronger glue joint that does not crack or split and allows for greater finish thickness on all tops. Quarter rounds. Glass panels are secured with oak or cherry quarter rounds, mitered to fit perfectly, and affixed with barely visible pins. Pinned Mortise-and-Tenon joinery. Most Stickley door joints are tenoned, glued, and pinned with wooden pins. The pins lock the joint, supplying additional strength. Some styles are pinned from the front and are visible. Book-matched door panels. Resawing splits thick lumber into thinner boards. The split halves are then opened like a book, revealing identical grain and edge glued together. This painstaking process creates beautifully grained panels. Bed rail construction. 2 panhead screws are positioned at the ends of each rail to lock into an iron casting with a tongued slot. The end rails are mortised and tenoned into the posts and secured with wooden pins. Shiplap planking. Stickley bookcases often feature shiplap planking in the back. Individual boards are machined, sanded, and finished and applied one at a time. Together, they add character and beauty to a piece. Splining. The splining of the mitered corners of many mirrors provides the strongest possible corner joint. The chance of a joint ever failing is minimal. Even as technology and furniture styles have changed, Stickley has never abandoned these time-honored construction techniques. The result is furniture that, with minimal care, can be passed down through the generations. And nothing is more sustainable than furniture built to last a lifetime.